How to make Instagram account private. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make your Instagram account private, ensuring your privacy on Instagram. Let's start. Start by opening the Instagram application on your device. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner to reveal additional options. In the menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will open a sub-menu where you can access various account settings. Within the Setting and Privacy sub-menu, look for Account Privacy. This section allows you to control who can view your Instagram content. You will see Private Account here. Toggle the button to enable it. Instagram will prompt you to confirm your decision. Here, click on Switch to Private to confirm your choice. This action ensures that your account is now private, meaning only followers you approve will have access to your shared content, including photos and videos on your profile and any post with hashtags allocation. With your account now private, you have control over who can follow you. Additionally, your followers and following list will be visible only to you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.